Next topic, how data how data is analyzed how data is analyzed using access data forensic toolkit. Forensic toolkit. First one, the Microsoft Office, the Microsoft file, not Office, the Microsoft file systems, namely FAT 12, FAT 16, FAT 32. What is meant FAT? File allocation table. File allocation table. And also NTFS and Linux file systems. Linux file systems. Okay, what is meant by NTFS? Network file transfer and also Linux file systems, namely ext2fs file system, ext3fs file system. These all are undergo forensic analysis. These all are undergo forensic analysis using toolkit. Already we discussed about toolkits in Windows operating system and Unix operating system. Next one, multiple sources and image file. Both are analyzed by forensic toolkit. Both sources, only client servers and image files. Both are analyzed by the forensic toolkit. And again, image files can be recovered from server folders. Only image files can be recovered from server folders. And again, we are using another file that name is named as log file. Log file is also one of a forensic toolkit. In log file, that should be maintaining the keyword search and also data extraction. Okay, and also data extractions at the time of investigation. Okay, not only log file is not only a forensic toolkit. It also one of the technique is, for example, log file is turned on or off. It's depending on circumstances. Log file turned on and off. These two techniques are depending on circumstances. And again, Data forensic toolkit, we have two searches. Okay, two types of searches are there. First one, indexed search, and the second one, live search. Already these two topics are discussed in previous video.